Okay, all I can say so far to this is, wow, Alipearl, they might have done something. You guys, I have seen this wig all over TikTok and I was like, ooh, I want that. It looks so good on everybody that got it. Now, it is a frontal wig. I'm more so into closure wigs, but I'm just in love with this style. I have tried to do this on some of my other wigs and did not succeed at it. So the fact that they've been paying attention, whoever invented this style, whoever the first person was to do it, whoever came up with it, they've been paying attention and they said, we're going to try to, you know, do it ourselves. And I will say they did a very good job. Now, it does come, this is just the wig straight on. It's not adhered down or anything like that. It does come with pre-cut baby hairs already, which I will need to go in and fix them. And then more importantly, it also came with some lace tape. Now, I don't use lace tape. I might consider using it for this install. As you guys can see on the ear part, it does cover my ear. So it does need to be kind of cut around here. I'm going to try to see if I can. I might just tuck mine under like that way, because you guys already know, or if you're familiar with how I do my installs, I leave this little part out. So me cutting it, you can't even really see it no more once I just tucked it. So I think I might just do that. So I just need to pretty much fix the baby hairs. I did go in and put just a tiny bit of my lace tint. I'm trying to see if I need to take this out and re-flatten it, but I do not want to mess up the hairstyle. They already have the braids in there. I mean, it's pretty flat. I just would want to get it just a little bit more flatter, but I don't want to mess it up. I'm going to finish, I guess I don't really need to do anything. I'm going to press the hair out and I'm going to just make the lace disappear just a tad bit and then go in and fix these baby hairs. In a style like this, I would assume that there'd be some, like, you know, little discrepancy, because, you know, it's not like a machine is doing this. Like, they're actually doing this style themselves, but this looks the same like everyone else got. So pretty happy about that. So let me just go ahead and hook it up and then I'll come right back. Actually, I changed my mind, because you can see, like, see this right here? It is a little bit loose, so I do need to actually take this down and redo it. So I'm gonna, there's a hair tie in here, so I'm just gonna use what they provided. Okay, so it's been a few days, but I'm back. I figured I'd just merge these two video clips together. And that is mainly because I had to go out and get some lace glue, you guys. I know I am a glueless wig girly. However, the wig was like sliding back a little bit. Even with the adjustable straps and elastic band on the inside, it still was like moving. So even though this is technically a glueless wig, I would advise you to just go ahead and glue it down so that you don't have that problem, because I don't know, I just was not satisfied with keep having to adjust it, and it was moving back and it was just a big mess. So that's what I took a little break to go and do. Now I gotta try to figure out the best way to remove this, because I typically do not use glue, but that's a different story. But anyways, this wig is from Alipearl Hair, and I'm gonna finish telling you guys the details about it. Typical stuff here in the package. I'll just make sure to read off the website so that I don't miss anything. Like it says, it's a glueless pre-braided straight wig, but like I said, you might want to consider gluing this wig down. It is a straight texture. I don't know if I've told you guys prior, but their straight texture just does not hold a curl like that. It's not meant to, so that's not something that is a con about the hair. I did put a little curls in it, but these curls are about the best that it's going to get. I can't really get the curl to be any tighter than this, which is not a problem. I just want a little bit of like body and volume to the hair. This is a 13x4 wig. Now, if I could advise you to do anything, there's nothing wrong with this one, but I just feel like if you can get it in a bigger lace size, go ahead and get it. They do offer this wig in a 13x6 lace size. I did not know that originally, so I would say get that one. If not, this one is just as fine. The parting space doesn't matter because they already have it in a set style, but just if you wanted to. The length that I got it in is 24 inches, and it is definitely true to length even when it's not curled and it's stretched out, so there's no issue there. And the density on it is 108% density. You guys, this hair is very soft, very silky, easy to run your hands through. And this is a wig after it's been washed, by the way, too. So what I did when I washed it, like I mentioned, I was just very strategic not to mess up the style. I did take the ponytail out, but I tried not to disturb the braids. I basically didn't wash it like I would normally wash my wigs. I really babied this wig and mainly washed it like from here on down, if that makes sense. You get this and you're wondering how to maintain it, I would suggest you do the same thing and just be very careful on how you wash this wig. So that you don't mess up the style, because I don't trust myself to go back in and re-braid this and all that. So that's the reason why I did what I did. Now, I know this style may not be for everybody, but I think it's cute and I just wanted to try it. That's my goal moving forward with these wigs, is just to kind of try things that I haven't tried before, just to step out of the box a little bit. So if this is the style that you like, then you would definitely love this wig. I don't have any complaints about this wig. I absolutely love it, and obviously this is not my first time installing it, so as I've worn it, I think it's really good. I don't really think that they could have done anything to improve it or make it better. I feel like they nailed it. Now, I did go on TikTok and I watched tons of videos, and I watched the sponsored reviews, the not sponsored reviews, and everybody is getting the same exact quality, same exact style. I don't see any people have any issues or anybody's wig coming out different, so I will give that to them as far as them doing this braided style and being consistent with it. So they do definitely get like extra points from that. And then just because, like I said, I've always personally really loved their straight texture just because it is so silky, so I don't have a problem with the fact that I'm not going to be able to curl it because, like I said, it's not designed to do that in the first place. The hair is pretty dark. It comes in like a natural brown color, but it actually does low-key look like it's jet black. So I don't know if they were the first to do it, but now I see a lot more other companies coming out with these kind of like braided hairstyle wigs. I have like another, like a curly texture one. I think it's the same style, but the texture of it is curly, from a different hair company that I'm going to showcase for you guys here on my channel as well. So make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss that if you like this style wig in particular. And I really like that they give you the baby hairs already, because that's something that I'm not the greatest at doing all the time. So yeah, I really like this wig. If you guys like it, it will be linked down below in my description box for you guys. If you guys have any questions, I am more than happy to answer them for you. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.